Hi, I'm Jackson.
And hi, I'm Riker.
What's going on? So today we're going to show you how to make this really cool looking dragon fruit trellis. Let's show you how we did it. Okay, so first let's talk about the things we need to make this dragon fruit trellis. So one thing you'll need is one 6-foot 4x4, which is this right here. You will also need an anchor, which is this right here, and two 2.5-foot long 2x4s and four 2-foot long 2x4s.
And you also need some general purpose screws, 2 inches.
2.5 inches.
And you will need some liquid rubber sealant coating for this part because it's going to be underground and we don't want it to rot.
So we're going to do that part first because it takes a little bit longer. We're going to drench that sucker with it. So we will come right back with you after this has been applied and dried and get with the next step.
Okay, so the sealant is going to take 24 hours to dry, and we just decided not to wait. So we drilled in starter holes, and now we're gonna screw this into the center block, and then yeah.
All right, now we're going to lower it down and do the rest of the trellis.
Okay, so now we're going to be starting the frame of this trellis. So what we're going to be needing to do is we're going to have to get 2 of the 2-foot 2x4s and 1 of the 2.5-foot 2x4s. So let's screw these together. Does not want to go in. Let's try another.
All right, we'll be right back after we get those screwed in, both sides.
All right, so we had a little bit of technical difficulties putting this on, so we just decided to mount this part of the frame on as well. Now we're just putting this part in, which will connect to this part right here of this frame. So now we're just gonna screw these in.
All right, we used another 4x4 to help us gauge the spacing. Go ahead and pick them up and show them what the completed top part of the frame looks like. What? Drill.
Oh, I know. And
so this is what the top part of the frame looks like.
So now we're going...
And this is going to come around here. Once we're ready to put it on, we'll be right back.
Yep. See ya. As you can see, this is... After we put this on here, it fits in super snug, and that's because we followed the template. So now let's just screw these in. You have to push.
All right, we'll have Dad help with some of these. Just get it in as good as you can, guys. we had to take the extension off because it's a little bit tighter. Don't strip it. I'll tighten them up when we're done. All right, the other side. Alright, Dad will tighten it better in a minute. So this is what it looks like after it's been mounted. So this is the base of our frame. It is complete. You might be wondering what this part's for, why we have it sticking up the top. This is something unique that we haven't seen before, but it's an idea that we had, and we'll share it with you at the end.
So stay tuned for that.
Now we're gonna do some custom painting. See you later.
Okay, so we're back, but it took a couple days because we painted this to look like a dragon.
Also, we wanted our cuttings of our dragon fruit to scab up a little bit because it will increase the chance of surviving. And also, we kind of wanted to talk a little bit about the soil that we're going to be using. So what we're going to be using is some Fox Farm ocean forest, and basically it has a little bit of earthworm castings, and it also has some bat guano. Also, we just got some like cactus potting mix stuff that we also used for this, and those are just kind of what we used. So now we can...
That's at the bottom of the whiskey barrel to fill up some of the soil space.
This is all Fox Farm at the top, but everything else is deeper in. So let's start planting these. Okay, so when you start planting your dragon fruit, it's a good idea to understand where you should cut it. So where we like to cut it is about, this is a good example, it's like right
It's
in the
not a
middle.
specific part, it's just where it looks like this.
Yeah, and that will give you the best chance of it surviving. You can cut it in other spots, but it just might not do quite as well and might not survive if you do that. But now we're going to show you what we're going to be using.
So some rooting powder, let me focus it in, there you go. Sprinkle it on. Let me get it in focus. No. Sprinkle it. No.
No, watch.
Here, you just kind of get it like this.
There.
Turn it. Do the other side.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. And then we're going to put them into the ground about 2 inches. Hold on, Jackson. Turn it around.
This side.
Yep, not too deep. Just about 2 inches in. Then once we have a few of those, we'll tie them off. Let's do another one right now.
Yeah, I can hold it down, Johnson. You don't plan it off.
Okay. Be careful for the thorns.
Yeah, I just got poked.
Tap it a little harder, Wrecker. There you go. Turn it, Harley. All right, now let's get it about 2 inches into the ground. Oh.
Where?
Right.
There.
Sorry about that. There we go.
There we go.
All right, so we're going to get the rest of them in, and we'll tie it, and we'll show you what the final outlook looks like, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so this is our final product of the dragon fruit trellis.
So if you're wondering why we have this top part up here, most of the time people don't do it, but the reason why we did do it was for frost protection, because we can get it sometimes, and it would be better if we had that to just hang down.
We can just throw a frost cloth over it real easy.
Instead of having to work around it and stuff and make it like a, I don't know, something. So if you like this video, please subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers and we're working to get 1,000. So please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.